SprInt is created out of two words, Sprache, the German expression for language, and intercultural. SprInt is one of the major programs which contribute effectively to the internationalization at the TU Dresden. Since 2014, SprInt has been training the TU Dresden staff to become competent at their job and in the world. All members of the TU Dresden staff, either in the field of administration, technical support or science, are welcome to join the program for free. Within SprInt, you can participate in exciting intercultural workshops, focusing on different cultures and topics. You can also learn English and other languages, find the most suitable format among weekly English classes, intensive English workshops, individual coachings, and learning with the flexible language learning app. To make sure that you transfer your knowledge into fabulous action internationally, SprInt assists you in planning a short stay abroad. The team of Erasmus Plus program and the Leonardo Büro Sachsen will support you with funding and guidance. Your efforts and competencies will be rewarded with a valuable certificate. So register now and be part of the SprInt community.